wanted to show you this. This is actually when I was facing the spa building. This is the walkway that I walked through last year, but I did walk from over there to this way, and I wanted to show you this painted. I was showing you in that last video with the red painted sidewalk here. This is all painted, but I don't remember if these little padded stones were painted last year. They probably were, because it looks pretty rough right now. Looks like the paint has worn off on some of them, but that's not a big deal. They obviously repainted the main sidewalk, and it's not a big deal. It's just little padded stones, big deal. But this is one I wanted to show you next. When I first was going to take this video, for some reason it wasn't coming to mind. This pergola. This is the pergola beside the spa. Like last year I had taken a video where I had talked about walking through this pergola at middle of the night when it was dark and I didn't see what I was walking through. Last year, as I was showing you in one of my previous videos last year, I walked through this area. Now take a look at this. Brand new, spanking new. It looks like they finally fixed the whole pergola's floor here. It does go a little bit deeper because it is about a foot off the ground. Not here, but over here. Now, I don't want to take this too much longer. I want to be less than 2-minute video. It's almost a minute and a half. Brand new, all brand new. And at night, at least last night, it was all lit up. You can see a light right there, and a light right there, right there. It was all lit up, so this area was lit up. That's why I was able to see it too, even though it was starting to get dark. Brand new. This is no holes here. No holes. Great. Awesome.